Keep your family safe with the Skybell video doorbell. Skybell sends live video of your front door to your smartphone so you can always know who's at the door.
Can I help you?
We also believe that the things that keep you safe should also keep you connected to the ones you love.
Daddy, I'm home from school and look what I made you.
Oh, that's great, sweetheart.
And make your life a little easier.
I have a package for Rachel.
Great, I'll be home soon. Can you leave it on the side of the house?
Sure.
Skybell HD's motion sensor will alert you when an unwanted visitor doesn't press the doorbell. And full-color night vision helps you see perfectly at night.
Hit the lights.
Tired of visitors waking up your baby by pressing your doorbell? With the silent mode feature, you can turn off the indoor chime and still receive notifications on your phone. Skybell HD records each video you see, so you can watch or download the video at a later time, even if you didn't see it live. When combined with other smart home products like locks, lights, and indoor cameras, Skybell HD becomes the eyes to your smart home. We've partnered with some of the biggest companies in the world, extending their coverage to your front door. On sale now at skybell.com.
Most people want to see what's going on around their property, but they honestly don't want to do the wiring and all of the hassle and everything it takes to actually put up cameras. LightCam requires no drilling, no wires, no hassle. You just plug it in, turn it on, and it works. We designed LightCam to be the most versatile and affordable camera for your house. Your camera is HD, it's infrared so it can see in the dark. So first of all, if you have a taller structure, if you have a shorter one, you can actually telescope it up and down. When you pick your viewing angle, it'll actually rotate side to side depending on where you'll actually want to see. Your actual lens comes out so you can aim your camera down. If you have a vertical sconce, you can actually go ahead and switch that so you can get the viewing angle you want. This telescoping lens actually can connect up with the glass of your enclosure. What that means is you're not going to have glare or any of the blinding kind of like, hey, the infrared's bouncing off the glass or the light is bouncing off the glass. I can't see anything at night. It's got motion activation, so if you have visitors, you're going to know about it. It has a two-way voice on it. You're going to be able to adjust the colors. LightCam is designed with high-end Cobb LEDs, so your light should last 15 to 20 years. I mean, we've spent basically 2 years perfecting every piece we could to make sure that it would work in as many different situations as possible. LightCam is an amazing product and it's going to benefit a ton of people. We really appreciate you guys watching this, and we hope that you'll help us by backing the campaign and by sharing it with your friends and family so that we can bring this great product to everybody.
Okay, everybody, let's go.
It's 7:38 a.m. and your family's heading out the door. Dad's going on a work trip. Mom's headed to the office. Luke and Sarah off to school. It's nice to know that Gus will guard the house while you're out. But luckily, you also have this guy to keep an eye on things. Lighthouse is a new kind of smart home device that's actually smart. It knows the difference between your dog walker, and any unexpected dog walkers. Ask Lighthouse to let you know what time your kids get home from school, to let you know if they're running late, or if Sarah comes home with a Brad. Lighthouse will recognize that she has a guest with her, and Mom's notification gives her a chance to welcome him herself.
Oh, hey, Brad.
Ugh, Mom!
Lighthouse also recognizes certain gestures, like waving, so Luke can get Dad's attention while he's out of town.
Hey, buddy.
Dad, I made this awesome suit out of tin foil. Look, got elbow pads, knee pads, a cape.
Wow, that's a really cool outfit.
And if Mom comes home to discover something out of place,
Okay.
all she has to do is ask,
Did the dog jump on the couch today?
Maybe the better question is,
Who is running between 3 and 5 p.m.?
and that's why we created Lighthouse. Simply put, Lighthouse is the first of its kind. It uses a 3D time-of-flight sensor and the most advanced computer vision and machine learning ever put into a home device. With this kind of smarts, you can keep your home and family safe while engaging with your loved ones in a totally new way. Because it's about time a smart home device actually knew the difference between this, and this. Welcome home, Dad. Say hello to the future. Say hello to Lighthouse. Find out more at light.house.
Bale, Mr. Cuddles, Tony, this is Alla Pro. Alla Pro, meet the boys. You guys want some cupcakes? Alla Pro's pretty awesome, guys. She's wire-free, she's got 2-way audio, free cloud storage, HD quality, and she's weatherproof. Oh, and she's rechargeable. Oh, the doorbell. Packages under the bench, please. Thank you. Pretty cool, right?
Keeping our home safe is important to all of us. Getting your house broken into sucks. It's not just the stuff that you lose, but because your home feels violated. What you want is to keep it from happening in the first place. And that's why we created Kuna, to help you prevent break-ins. This is Kuna. Kuna is a smart Wi-Fi camera built into an elegant outdoor light fixture. It detects people and alerts you. So you can see and talk to them on your smartphone.
Hey, could you leave the package out front? We're a little busy.
It's cool, man. We're in the future.
And it's the best way to actively prevent break-ins.
Most burglaries are crimes of opportunity. The burglars will actually knock on your door to see if you're home. And when they realize you're not home, they'll attempt to enter your house. Keeping them outside is the most important thing you can do, and Kuna allows you to do that.
You can deter burglars by talking to them or setting off Kuna's alarm.
Can I help you?
I'm selling magazines.
Yeah, no thanks.
They'll leave. And all this happens when they're still outside, before they even try to break in. Making your home safer shouldn't be a chore. For one of these, you have to climb in the attic, run wires, drill holes. It's a pain, and it's not cheap. That's why we built Kuna into an outdoor light. Just replace your old light fixture and use your existing wiring. Connect Kuna to Wi-Fi and you're done. It'll take 15 minutes. And we want Kuna to look good no matter where it is. So we're making it in 3 different styles to match your house. You can put Kuna anywhere. Front door, back door, even the garage to watch your car. Oh, and your light gets smarter too. You can control it with the Kuna app. Turn it on, turn it off, set a schedule, or just let it turn on automatically when it gets dark or when there's a person. You only want to get alerts that matter. Kuna ignores trees and small animals, and it recognizes people's behaviors. So if you don't want to know every time your spouse goes out jogging, you can tell Kuna to alert you only for visitors waiting at the door. And it'll learn and get smarter over time.
Hey, baby.
There's a peace of mind that comes from knowing what's happening at your home. Whether it's your loved ones or the delivery guy, Kuna will always let you know. And if it's someone bad, now you can do something about it. Kuna, stop break-ins before they happen.